Let's focus on some rational function word problems. The sum of a number, we'll call this number x, and twice its reciprocal is 9/2. So the word is in math means equal. So let's write these words as an equation. The sum of x plus twice its reciprocal. So the reciprocal means 2 times 1/x is equals 9/2. We're trying to find the number x. So let's multiply every term by x. We have x squared plus 2, because x on the top and bottom cancels, equals 9x/2. We now multiply every part by 2. So we get 2x squared plus 4 equals 9x. And let's throw this 9x to the left. So we have negative 9x plus 4 equals 0. So let's factor. We have 2x minus 1, x minus 4 equals 0. We have 2x squared, and we have negative 8x minus 1x is negative 9x, and we have negative times negative is positive. Thus, we have 2x minus 1 equals 0, so x equals 1/2. Or x minus 4 equals 0, so x equals 4. So x can be 4 or 1/2. Find two consecutive even integers whose reciprocals sum to be this fraction. Now, when thinking about even integers, we have x, and the next number that's even is going to be x plus 2, because we keep adding 2's to remain even. Now we're talking about reciprocals are summing. So the reciprocal of these numbers is going to be 1/x, and we're summing them, these reciprocals. To be means is, equals 11/60. So this is the challenge, to go from words to an equation. The rest is algebra. Let's multiply top and bottom by x plus 2. So we have x plus 2 over x plus 2, plus, let's multiply here top and bottom by x. So we have x over x times x plus 2 equals, next we multiply top and bottom by the LCM, x plus 2. The bottoms are almost the same. We still need to multiply by 60. 60 here, 60 here. The 60's cancel out and becomes 1. The bottoms are now the same, so let's multiply by the denominator to make the bottoms go away. So we have the top, 60 times x plus 2 plus 60x equals 11x, x plus 2. We'll continue up here. We have 60x plus 120, that's distribution, plus 60x equals 11x squared plus 22x. That's from using distribution here. Let's throw everything to the right. So we have 0 equals, we have 11x squared, and we have 22x minus 60x minus another 60x is minus 98x. And we have 120 going to the right, so we have minus 120. After patiently factoring, this might take a while, we have 11x times x, and plus 12 minus 10 is this factored form. Thus, we say x equals 10 as a possible solution, and we reject x equals negative 12/11, which comes from this factor here. We're talking about integers, not fractions, so let's eliminate that extraneous root. So x is the first even integer, and x plus 2 is the next. So we have x equals 10 and x equals 12.